I tested an artificial intelligence business for 30 days and made thousands of dollars. I'll give you a step-by-step tutorial today on how to accomplish the same. I tried to offer real prints created by AI. I went into great depth about the entire process, including designing, producing, and advertising. With my prints, I wanted to see how much money I could make because some people were reportedly making hundreds of dollars a day. The first thing to do was look for an AI art generator. I created an unlimited number of images using the free applications MidJourney, NightCafe, and Stable Diffusion. I started with a really enticing oil painting of chicken wings. My goal is to sell my AI artwork on the Etsy website, which specializes in arts and crafts. Despite their love for art, Etsy buyers don't just buy any old painting. I don't know how many people, besides this gentleman, would hang chicken wings in their living room. It is my duty to research well-liked Etsy art categories and promote my work there. To find popular art topics, I first used Rank, an Etsy tool for researching keywords, and then I looked through the search suggestions on Etsy. I found a couple that combine mid-century modern abstract art and flowers. In order to succeed in at least one of the niches, the objective is to develop and promote in a multitude of them. Most artists on Etsy sell digital prints, or the artwork's digital file, mostly to customers who want to print the piece at a lesser cost by themselves. I have no interest in such customers. The trouble of printing should be avoided for customers who are prepared to pay. I've chosen to offer physical prints rather than digital ones because they often sell for more money and may generate more revenue with each sale. Does selling physical prints require me to pull out my printer? Not if I utilize print on demand, that is. A company using print on demand will only produce customized products and artwork for you in response to an order. They take care of everything, so you don't have to bother about handling the shipping, packing, or printing. I wish to use Printful as my print-on-demand service. They provide a variety of wall art products that may be printed, including canvases, framed posters, metal prints, and more. Upgraded matte paper posters featuring my AI artwork will be sold in a variety of sizes, ranging from 5x7 to 24x36 inches. Listing a Printful product on Etsy is simple. You choose your sizes, link your accounts, upload your AI artwork, and add a new product. Yes, as you say, most AI art generators create images that are between 500 and 1000 pixels wide, which is a low resolution. If I want to print my images large, I'll have to upgrade. Numerous commercial and free AI image upscalers are accessible. Gigapixel Artificial Intelligence AI can upgrade photos up to 6 times their original resolution by using AI to fill in the spaces. That's what I'm going to use. My AI artwork is ready to be uploaded to Printful, and surprise, it's up for grabs as a draft on Etsy. I'm happy to report that Printful, who makes things so easy, is today's video sponsor. Visit the description's link to see them in action. Now that my draft listing is for sale, it's time to make some changes. 5 essential conditions must be met for a product to be listed for sale on Etsy. The first is the images, which have to be polished mock-ups designed to entice customers. I looked it up on Google and found a bunch of free Photoshop mock-ups. My listing appears to have been updated with the addition of my artwork. Next is the title. Its main objective is to facilitate the listing's discovery using Etsy's search function and algorithm. I'll pack it with keywords associated with my area of expertise in artwork. Since tags and titles achieve the same goal, I'll utilize them in the same manner. The fourth element is shipping. Customers in the US and Canada love it, and Etsy even gives precedence to listings with it, so I'll provide free delivery to them. And speaking of which, cost is the last essential element. Since I offer my prints in various sizes, I have varied prices for each size. I used the Rank profit calculator to determine pricing, accounting for all of my costs and aiming for a profit margin of between 30 and 45%. The smallest size, 5x7 inches, is the exception, since it only yields a profit margin of around 25%. I purposely put it lower because your listing's lowest price appears on both your profile and in the Etsy search. I'll raise prices by 15% in order to draw customers, then after that I'll offer products for 15% less. This gives the impression of a good deal without compromising revenue. We're online with our initial listing, let's do the same for all of my AI artwork. In the following 30 days, maybe we will see some sales. Day 2, I have a suspended account. Is Etsy taking action against AI art? I discovered via research that arbitrary bans are typical, particularly for startup shops. Until my account is restored, if it is, I'm stopping the counter. I received an email from Etsy a week later. Not only did it not explain why I was suspended, it only stated that I am no longer suspended. Hey darling, we're back. I focused on producing AI prints for the following 2 weeks, making 36 listings. My shop looked nice. Using search and Etsy advertisements are the two primary methods of getting people to view your listing on the platform. However, appearing in search results isn't a given, which leads us to the second option, purchasing advertisements. I don't think I'll need advertisements since I believe my listings are excellent enough to receive visitors from organic searches. That is, I believed. Now on day 15, nothing is going properly. I've had no sales and very few views or visitors to my listings. I charge less than others and have nice art, photographs, titles, and tags. My listings don't seem to be specific enough. For instance, there are more than 60,000 results for mid-century modern wall art, thus my listing is buried. I have to pick terms that provide less than 10,000 search results and focus on narrower niches, such as aliens, animals, or certain places. With any luck, this will make my listings more noticeable. Holy, what is going on? My listings are blowing up. Most of these visits are from the direct and other traffic channel. That doesn't make sense. I'm not sharing my Etsy shop anywhere. I read on Google that visits from that channel are most likely bots. That's crazy. Only 6 real people have visited my listing so far. 6 real people over the last 18 days. Are you kidding me? I don't even know if I'll be able to sell one print by day 30. I'm honestly worried now. By day 26, I created 24 more listings for a total of 60, yet I still had no sales. Feeling stressed and desperate, I decided to run Etsy ads, spending $1 a day. I was hoping to keep it organic, but it seemed like my last chance. I'll see you on day 30. It's the end of the challenge, and what a roller coaster it was. I ended with a sale. Etsy ads did something. After running them for 5 days, I got 1,765 views, 16 clicks, and 1 sale. We sold an AI art print of a purple peacock. Adding that to the total, we sold 2 AI art prints, one 5x 7-inch and one 16x 20-inch, earning $45.98 8 revenue. My expenses were $17.50, 0 printing, $9.98, 8 shipping, and $3.56 6 ads. Etsy charged $2.99, 9 transactions, $1.99, 9 processing, $2.25, 5 seller fees, and 20 cents per listing. I spent $12 on 60 postings. My net income is minus $4.29, 9 despite losing money. This wasn't a complete disaster. With more time, I might have sold another print and made a profit. I could have profited $4.29, 9 saved $8 using the 40 free Etsy listings you can get with my link in the description. In any case, I've learned from this project that selling AI art prints on Etsy is anything but easy. If you haven't already, kindly subscribe and like this video. Peace and thanks again.